welcome to Immigration Talk Show, the show where we simplify the complexities of US immigration. In our last video, we celebrated your upcoming journey to the United States on an H-1B visa. And today, friends, we are going to tackle a topic that many of you may encounter during your professional journey, and that is changing jobs while on an H-1B visa. So today, we are going to walk you through the H-1B transfer process, recent regulatory updates effective January 17, 2025, and some practical tips to ensure a smooth transition. So let's begin with the first segment, that is understanding the H-1B transfer process. So if you are on an H-1B visa and considering a job change, then how does this work? The H-1B transfer process allows you to switch employers without losing your legal status. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, job offer. So secure a job offer from US employer willing to sponsor your H-1B visa. Next is LCA labor condition application. Your new employer must file an LCA with the Department of Labor, confirming they will pay you fair wages and also provide good working conditions. Next is Form I-129 filing. Once the LCA is approved, your employer files Form I-129 with USCIS to request your H-1B transfer. Then start working. After USCIS receives the I-129 petition, you can start working for your new employer, even before the petition is approved under the portability provisions. Next, petition approved. If USCIS approves the petition, then you can continue working for your new employer for the duration specified in the approval. Always remember the timing is crucial. Ensure that the transfer petition is filed promptly and is non-frivolous to maintain lawful status during this transition. Now let's move ahead to our next segment, that is processing times and premium processing. Well, under standard processing, the H-1B transfer can take around 3 to 5 months depending on individual circumstances. And for those who prefer a quicker resolution, the USCIS also offers premium processing, which expedites the process to 14 calendar days for an additional fee. So talking about recent regulatory changes effective January 17, 2025, significant changes have been introduced to the H-1B visa program. That was effective from January 17, 2025. Firstly, specialty occupation. So the definition has been revised to provide clarity on qualifying positions, ensuring they meet the specialized knowledge requirements. Next, third-party work sites. So employers are no longer required to provide detailed itineraries for employees working at third-party sites. This means simplifying the documentation process. Next, CAP-exempt entities. The criteria for CAP-exempt H-1B filings have been expanded. This means allowing more organizations, especially in research and academia, obviously to benefit from exemptions to the annual H-1B cap. Well, these changes are actually aimed to streamline the process. But it's also vital for both employers and employees to ensure the compliance with all regulations. They have to maintain a thorough documentation, and also staying informed about policy updates is very, very essential. Also, friends, don't forget to consult with immigration experts as they can provide tailored guidance based on individual circumstances. Alright, now let's talk about some practical tips for smooth H-1B transfer. So to ensure a seamless transition during your H-1B transfer, consider the following steps. Firstly, maintain communication. Keep open lines of communication with both your current and prospective employers to ensure a smooth transition. Next up, stay informed. Regularly check for updates on USCIS policies and processing times to stay ahead of any changes. Next, consult professionals. Friends, engage with immigration attorneys or experts to navigate the complexities of the H-1B transfer process effectively. So that wraps up today's episode of Immigration Talk Show. We hope this information empowers you to make informed decisions as you navigate your career journey on an H-1B visa. Stay tuned for more updates on immigration policies and processes. Until next time, stay informed and also stay empowered, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.